Stay with us. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Now we're writing alphabets. Vivid purple color. Kids, the next one is yellow green color, black color, geranium color, and the next one is deep olive green color, emerald green color, forest green color, Persian blue color. Subscribe to our channel. Baby blue color, cream color, exactly, scarlet color, and the last one is pastel pink color. Let's start writing capital letter alphabets. A, B, C, D. Exactly, now we're writing E. And the next one is F, F for fish. So kids, now we're using the color of forest green. The alphabet of G. The next one is H. Now we're writing I, J, K, L, L for lemon, geranium color, M, N, O, P, Q, and the last one is R. Thank you so much for watching. Silver color, blue color, dark pink color, orange color. Kids, the next one is yellow color, dark green color, sky blue color, light green color, brown color, light pink color, white color. Kids, the next one is black color, exactly, red color, and the last one is purple color. So kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Now start writing. Yellow color, red color, light green color, and the next one is light pink color, white color, purple color, brown color, dark green color, sky blue color, dark pink color, and the next one is orange color, black color, and the last one is silver color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one is tens. Kids, now we're writing alphabets and numbers.